Handwoven baskets. Let's call them a piece of utilitarian art. If chosen well, they may be the wow factor in home styling. Baskets are lightweight and look great when proudly displayed in a room. There are endless weaves and materials to choose from, which makes it easy to match them to your personal style. Effortlessly organize a bedside table using a basket. A basket can function like a mini chest of drawer when you don't have storage cabinet underneath. The open top of the basket makes finding and grabbing content simple. Creating a whole accent wall attaching large baskets to it is one of the easiest and simplest way to decorate a room. Adding something green on it is the icing on the cake. A basket wall is an interesting and inexpensive way to cover a lot of real estate on the wall. Plus, it looks organic and so cool. I am in love with this wall, even more than I thought I would be. If you also have a basket wall in your abode, please send your pics my way. I would love to see how you styled your baskets. Keeping indoor plants in a basket is a charming way to show off your plants. Using baskets as containers is not difficult, but the baskets do need a little prep before they are ready for plants. Baskets need a dripping tray inside to collect excess water and prevent the basket from soiling. Please raise your hands those who have basket obsession. Obsession is essential to creativity. Are you bored of those plastic boards? Just change it with a basket. These are the little things that make a house to a home. I use baskets to gather miscellaneous items that would otherwise clutter up the living room. Stash the baskets beneath the coffee table so they are out of the way but easy to reach when needed. Baskets are a no-brainer way to hide the not so good-looking stuff or clutter in our house. Easily disguise those household eyesore with this piece of fine craftsmanship. Collecting newspapers, toys, hats, and remotes in a basket makes it easier to find what you need and keeps the room looking neat and uncluttered. Create a home that is perfect for you. The toy storage combines elegance and purpose. Having a single dedicated area for your shopping bags can also make it easier to locate them when you need a handful before a shopping trip. Folding and dropping the shopping bags into a basket and keep it in a corner of the living room. That way I never forget. This is how I keep them tidy. I just grab some out of the basket when I go shopping. Baskets are very practical and stylish in a kitchen to keep all those random spices, oils, and cutleries without hiding from the view. It's better to line the bottom of the basket with a plastic sheet to make it easy to clean up the spills or crumbs. Place the basket near the stove to keep frequently used ingredients within reach while cooking. Baskets are an easy storage solution you can use in every room of your house. These handy organizers come in variety of sizes, colors, materials, so can effortlessly integrate storage into decor. Try these storage baskets to store eggs or tomatoes or the good old way of storing fruits. See how pretty it is. Everything and anything in a basket is beauty. As baskets breathe, they are an excellent choice for storing fruits and vegetables that you don't want to put it into the fridge. Onions and potatoes are ideal beauties when stored in a beautiful basket. I have already spoken about these baskets in my previous kitchen organization video. Small kitchens usually lack storage. This storage idea is for those kitchens. Open shelves or places are not a good spot to keep grocery items, right? Not anymore with the help of a bamboo basket. I made a pretty snack basket for my cravings. Now, can I ask you something? How many baskets are too many baskets for a home? Baskets works well on a dining table to organize the useful but cluttery knickknacks. Our home has gone through so many changes in the past few years. Adding lot of baskets is one of them. The possibilities of using baskets are endless. To organize a wardrobe, entryway, bathroom, pantry, cleaning supplies, even as a pendant lamp. Oh god. Sometimes the smaller detailings change our homes in a big way.